I'm just minding my business, and I'm steady counting Benjamins. And she say she wanna roll.
Welcome back. I am your host, Charles EL Gwapo, and today this is day 7 of stacking the 5K in 100 days. That's right, we on day 7. I know y'all probably wondering why I'm doing a voiceover versus being at the photo studio at the crib or in the car or whatever else that I'm doing. Is because this particular video, I didn't get much footage of the day. I'm trying to find this balance thing of being a content creator and always having your phone out versus enjoying the moment. So I did get a little footage, a couple clips here and there, but we went to this place called Acatavte, and Acatavte, it's a very cool place. It's about 14 different rooms, and it's a ton of different games inside the rooms, and you can set the levels for them. You can set the different type of games. Some of them are trivia, some of them are just regular fun color coordinated games. Some of them you gotta spell words. More of the story, I had an amazing time at it. I met some cool people. I did run into Waka Flocka out there. We was sitting in the lobby and we was ready to leave. We had this part right here, and my girl pointed them out like, "Hey babe, ain't that Waka Flocka?" I'm like, "Nah, they ain't Waka Flocka." And she's like, "I don't know, with the height and with the type of woman he with, that look like him." I'm like, "I don't know, maybe." Anyway, we leaving out. I'm like, "Oh damn, that is Waka Flocka." He's like, "What's happening?" So we had about a 2-minute conversation. He was cool as hell. Like, I will say it's a difference from meeting a person just off the whim, y'all just so happen to be in the same place, versus paying your money, going to a place, anticipating on meeting a person. It's a totally different vibe. He was like real chill. You know what I'm saying? He was so low key, I didn't realize it was him, like I said. And yeah, we chopped it up. It's funny, you hear people say, "Well, man, why you didn't get the autograph, or why you didn't get a picture?" First of all, I wasn't on that type of time. Like, he chilling, I'm chilling. I'm not fanned out. Like, don't get it twisted. Waka was the guy. I did enjoy his music a couple years ago, but it wasn't like, you know what I mean? I guess wrong place, wrong time, but I really wasn't on that. Like, oh my God, let's get a picture or whatever the case. Like, we chilling, you know what I mean? I know I met him, he met me. Like, it's not hard to remember a guy who's 6'2" with a bright red beard. Like, we got it. We was in the moment, and that's what I'm saying. Like, everything, I guess, ain't meant for show, even though I'm going into content creating, which means my whole life is for show. You know, I was like, all right, well, y'all have a nice one. We went on about our day. But also, I'm only putting like $2 into the box, you know what I mean? Because as y'all can tell with this day here in particular, I was running around doing all kind of crazy things, man. We went to Activate, and then first we ate at this place called Big B's Fish Market, Fish something, I forgot. I ain't getting no footage being there. Like I said, I'm trying to do this balance thing of content creating and having your phone and enjoying the moment. Then we went to the Activate place, and then after that, we ended up going bowling, as y'all can see, and it was me and two fine ladies at that. One was my girl, and the other one was just someone part of this group that we all was in. So it was cool. It was fun. Then after that, I think me and my girl had some Panda Express, and you know, we ended up calling it a night. So that's the purpose of the voiceover, because like I said, I didn't get a ton of footage, but you know, we did our thing. But you see me right here in the bowling alley. I was having fun. I came in second, first game. The second game, I was ready to go, so I pretty much came in last. Like, I was just bullshitting and trying anything at that point. But yeah, next soon, day 8 on our way. We out.